Hi, in the last video we talked about the DITA and the structure of these books that we have been using. So in this video we'll take you through the publishing CMS, how we use this book to be ingested into their system and then transform it on demand to various other formats such as PDFs, epubs, the Kindle format and even the HTML formats. So for this, our particular client, we had used the pub CMS which the editors are using called RSuite, which is a backend publishing CMS system which can be used by the editors to create new custom mashups of contents or on demand generate various formats of these books and make it available to your particular front end or the web CMS systems. So right now this is the RSuite that you're seeing on the screen and how we have been using it on the particular backend. So coming back, I have with me a book which is a data structure. I have just zipped it, and how the publishing CMS works is that you can actually put these books into the folders where a workflow will consume these books and validate the contents and push it into the CMS system. And once in the CMS system, the editors can have a look whether all the contents have moved in, and once approved, it comes into their active repository from where you can generate the contents later. So right now I'm going to show you how this has been done. It just needs to be copy pasted to your hot folders, which is nothing but a folder that has been tagged to a workflow, and pushing it in, it just consumes the file and the workflow is triggered from here. And there it goes. And once the file is consumed, you will get a dashboard in your RSuite UI which says the book has been loaded into the system. So over here you are getting a dashboard of this particular book where you can see that and there is an action. Once you verify the content, you want to accept it or not, you just can go ahead and accept this particular book. If you see, this is the same structure that we have used to ingest it into the system. So once verified, the editors can actually go ahead and accept this book into the system. And what happens is, from this RSuite portal, this is actually having a browse window which can allow the editors to have a look into all the books they have ingested, and to maintain it, if they want to put up a latest version, override it, is all possible from this browse tab. So here I'm coming down. You can see all the books that have previously gone in, along with that the current book that I have just moved into the system. And this also communicates with their other legacy systems and get the information such as the meta information required for the book. So the dashboard actually has a portal where you can see the meta information that we have collected from the other systems on the run. So what you see over here is actually a dashboard, meta information, which is there available with this book now once we have put this into the system. So this has been actually collected from the various external legacy databases that the customer was having. So this is basically the metadata of the book. Now coming back, you are having the option to create custom books out of it. Before moving to the custom books, it has the property you can create PDFs, you can create Kindles, you can create the MOBI format, you can create HTML formats and PDFs. So right now I'm just gonna create a EPUB format and Kindle for you. And once I generate it from the UI, so there you see the workflow has been triggered. So what happens is that we have a admin console where we are maintaining all the workflows that are required for the system, and each workflow has a set of uh, actions where it communicates with external databases, the external AMS system, and where you need to place these output, to whom and all you need to send the notification that the latest version of this book is available. So all these can be configured via the workflow which the tool is giving us. So I'm just, in the meantime, while the book is being generated, I'm just taking you across the workflows. So currently one of the workflows that we have, this allows you to have a simple straightforward workflows where you can create one by one step use cases of what you need to do with it. It creates the EPUB. Along with that, it also creates the Kindle format. That is, it creates it in the MOBI format for the Kindle readers. And once generated, it has an email notification, and then this workflow comes to an end. So once the workflow is complete, we get various formats such as the EPUB format, what you see over here, which is divided into chapters, which has subsection for topics, and this is the TOC structure that you see for a EPUB format, and this is compatible even in your handheld devices, the mobile platforms. Using the various readers, this format is supported. So in the same manner, the PDF formats of the same book, this is all created on demand with the latest version. And like I said, using DITA, you can add a new topic at any point of time. Just plug it into the main skeleton of that file and you transform it into the various format. All these latest updates are available in your books. In the same manner, the toolkit, the backend toolkit of the RSuite is an open source plugin which has been modified or it's updated by a huge community, and there is a definitely all supports for all the various transformation engines and the latest updates that happens to the PDFs or the EPUB formats. So all these are taken care of by the toolkit handle. So here I also want to emphasize there is also support for the Kindle reader formats. So right now what you see over here with me is a Kindle format. This is a MOBI format file. Which can be used in your Kindle readers. In the same manner, the HTML format is there. You want to publish it or you want to have a reader with the HTML tagging, you can use the HTML formats. So these are basically the transformations that are possible from the RSuiteCMS that we have been using. This is the EPUB format location. Currently we have set rules to where these files should be available. This is the EPUB format for this particular, the PDFs. The MOBI and the HTML formats in the same manner. So the thing is, like using DITA, you can easily modify your content, get the latest version in, and also publish it into various transformation formats and make it available to your web systems, or you can even load it via the Google Play or the reader libraries and make it available and monetize these books to the system. And Using DITA, it has helped our customers in having it on a real time to change their contents and also the publishing factor to it. So this gives them an edge, and using your front end, it could be a web CMS or even a web based front end, you can actually publish it to your community and people can download it from their websites, these files that we have created. So this is a small snapshot of what this tool and how we have been able to use the data formats, and that's it. Thank you.